wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning.
I make a warm cup of coffee. It helps me feel awake. I make a warm cup of coffee. It helps me feel awake.
I wash my face. I wash my face.
I am wearing a blue shirt. I am wearing a blue shirt.
I clean my house every day. I clean my house every day.
I tie my shoes before leaving. I tie my shoes before leaving.
I eat a healthy breakfast. I eat a healthy breakfast.
I buy fresh fruit at the store. I buy fresh fruit at the store.
I wait for the morning bus. I wait for the morning bus.
I go to sleep at 10 o'clock. I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
I make my bed.
I
Make my bed.
I pack my bag. I pack my bag.
I lock the door. I lock the door.
I take the stairs. I take the stairs.
I check my phone. I check my phone.
I cross the street. I cross the street.
I wash my hands. I wash my hands.
I turn on the TV. I turn on the TV. I read a book. I read a book.
I listen to music. I listen to music.